Let's discuss the concept of the scheduler module within Sage Fund Accounting. This module can save a tremendous amount of time by shifting tasks that would normally occupy processing time and staff time during the day to an after-hours function. I will begin by describing the binder function, which allows me to build multiple reports with a name, and I will go ahead now and set up the email scheduler to define who's going to receive these reports. I'm going to send it to Patty, and I'm going to send it to Linda, and they're going to be the two recipients that receive this report, and I'm going to carbon copy Jay Johnson as well. I'll indicate a subject and a message. I save that setup, and then from here I'm actually going to create a scheduled function. I'm going to indicate that this is going to be my production reports for March, and it's for my departments. And I'm just going to indicate that it's March 2012. I'm going to send these to an email PDF. In this case, I may be choosing to run it once, and I'm going to let it start at 11 p.m. tonight because that's going to be long past the time that I'm working. And I'll go ahead and set that up and schedule it. These reports will now automatically kick off at 11 o'clock tonight, start my email agent, and send these reports to both Patty and Linda. That's going to save me a tremendous amount of time during the day because I'm not going to tie up my workstation, nor am I going to be using the Exchange server during the busiest part of the day. The other function that the scheduler module accommodates is the ability to run processing tasks in off hours as well. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and I'd like to run the monthly indirect cost rate, and I want to see where this stands for the month of April. And I'm close enough to the end of April that I'd at least like to see that. I'm going to go ahead and schedule this task, and I'm going to do my first run for April to kind of see where things stand. So this is going to be my April indirect preliminary. Okay, I'm going to again have this task run, and I might start this one at 11:15 tonight. By not occupying processing time, these functions are going to kick off and run automatically during the least busy time on the network as well as the least busy time on the Exchange server, and they're not going to occupy my workstation and keep me from continuing my data entry and my reporting functions. So this is going to save me a tremendous amount of time and effort, and I'm not going to have any downtime during the course of my day. Have a good afternoon.